Aquarius, welcome to my channel Falcon Tarot. This is a weekly reading starting of the week 7th of Feb. How we'll go about with the video is the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch the roles if you want. However, for me, the top row is always for the sign I'm doing this video for. Now let's quickly begin. What I see for you here is you have the 10 of Wands, the Tower, and the Strength card. Your person has the Empress, the Lovers, and the Chariot card. Now, bottom of the deck, I have the Page of Wands. Okay, so the Page are very naive, childlike energy. However, when it comes to Page of Wands, it definitely means that somebody has a very childlike energy, and this person is looking at the physical aspect of a relationship more than emotionally connecting with the other person. Okay, so somebody has to be a little more mature, has to do a little bit of a growing up is what I understand from the card. Now let's see what we have for you here. Now I see there is a 10 of Wands with the Tower card. The 10 of Wands shows that there is a lot of stress, a lot of anxiety that you have. You feel the burden of the world is on your shoulders and you want to go ahead and take care of that. Now, what you're not seeing and what will hit you all of a sudden is the Tower energy. When the Tower hits, okay, anything which has been built on faulty grounds will come crumbling down, and you will have no other option but to go ahead and accept this, because whatever you tried to maybe build with this person was built on faulty grounds and it wouldn't have lasted in the long run. Okay, so at times when people go ahead and see the Tower card, they feel that okay, the Tower has hit, so this relationship has come to an end. No, that's not the case. What happens is when the Tower hits, okay, it's kind of a shake-up that happens, but it is very good because it shows you and it indirectly tells you that maybe you were going in the wrong direction, and that's why this shake-up will help you to go ahead and do a little introspection and start all over again on a very stable ground. Okay, now when this Tower hits you, it will take a lot of strength. This is the Leo energy that I see here. So it will take a lot of strength for you to go ahead and build this particular relationship again. So you need to go ahead and understand that in the next couple of days, you will have to go through a lot of change. Okay, and an unexpected change is coming towards you, and it might shake you up, and it will take a lot of courage from your end to go ahead and take care of this situation. Now, what I see for your person is this person has the Empress energy. Now, the Empress is ideally the one queen. Oh, in fact, it is somebody who is above all the queens. Okay, this person is very attractive, has the finances in place. This is somebody you will not get again and again in life. It's just a one-time opportunity that you get somebody like this, okay, like the Empress, and you know that about this person, that this person is an Empress. This person, be it a he or a she, will go ahead and give you everything that you wanted for. Now, in very few cases, and that's only for some of you, the Empress also means a very fertile person. Okay, mostly it also talks about pregnancy. So maybe some of you can expect some news about a pregnancy. That is also something that I see from these cards. This person also has the Lovers card, which is a soulmate energy, a lot of past life connection that they see with you. Okay, and they want to move forward with the Cancer card that I see over here. Okay, this is the Chariot, so they want to go ahead and move forward in your direction. Okay, they want to just step ahead and make sure that they take the effort, okay, so that this relationship reaches the maybe the 11-11 energy that most of you want. Okay, when you go ahead and look at these readings, you want this relationship to reach that committed phase where you can go ahead and commit to each other. That's what most of us would want when we get into a particular relationship. Now let's also see what is the intention of this person for this particular week. Let's see the intention. Now, this person's intention is a major arcana, which is Judgment. So, when the Judgment card comes, it means that this person wants to correct whatever wrong was done maybe in the past, okay? If there was something that they did, Aquarius, that was not correct, or if you did something that was not correct, they want to correct that. So the judgment call is they want to go ahead and correct, and they also want to let others know. If you see, this person wants to know that they're correcting their mistakes, and this is what they want to go ahead and do in the future. Now let's also take one more card here to see why we have judgment. Now if you see over here, we have the chariot card, we have the chariot card here as well. So they want to move forward, they really want to move forward and take this relationship to the next level, and that's something that I have from two different decks. Let's take one more card here. Okay, now what I see over here is the Seven of Swords. Now the Seven of Swords is a deceptive energy, okay? Either you or the other person at one point in time had a little bit of a deceptive energy. There was something sneaky that was happening, but that's not something that you want to continue. And ideally it shows that there was a lot of stress in Tower, so it looks like that the sneaky energy was with regards to you, okay? It came from your end instead of this person's end, okay? So if you did something sneaky, Aquarius, my advice to you is go ahead and correct that mistake, go ahead and have that conversation and move forward, because this person really loves you and this person wants to build a future with you, okay? So that's what I'm seeing from you. And just get out of this energy that you might be in. If there is somebody, okay, be it in the form of people or friends or your current surrounding, where you know, go ahead and have people who encourage this kind of a behavior, then it's best that you go ahead and cut yourself from such people, because it's not going to add value to you in your life, okay? So just think about it, is what I would say, okay? Now let's also take one crystal message for you, and it will also have one message from the archangel. So let's take one card here. Now the card that I see for you here is the lapis lazuli, okay? Let's go ahead and take the crystal message. The crystal message for you is, are you listening to your inner guidance? Let go of the extra stress in your life, release obstacles that cause frustration, align with the angels, and allow divine orchestration to light your path to bring you to the right place at the right time. Flow and allow your inner guidance to show you the way. Listen to that still small voice within in order to find the answers that you seek. So that's the crystal that I see for you. And now there's also a message from Archangel Michael, which I'll put in the description box. You can read it from there. That's all I have for you, Aquarius, for this particular week. If you like the content of the video, please like, share, subscribe. And till next time, please stay safe. Love yourself first.